We're off out again. Another wild adventure. I'm heading towards the snow. Not sure if I want to hunker down in the woods tonight or if I want to try and head up the mountain, camp in the proper white stuff. I've probably got about an hour and a half till it gets dark, so see what we can do now. I've decided to go up past this woods and get as far as the snow line. The mountain looks really steep, so I'm going to be going at the bottom of it just before it gets really steep. There is a way to get up there, but I looked at the map and it's about 5 kilometers. Just going on my own today. Didn't bring the dog either because it's too cold for her. She doesn't even like going out the back for a wee at the moment. Just testing out my new water bag I've had for Christmas. These are honestly so good. It's called the Ortlieb. They're hard to get hold of actually. The last one I had lasted me nearly 25 years. It's only because I lost the cap. Found the snow. Also found the clouds. You can feel the temperature dropping as soon as I got up here. Now, I haven't found a place to put the tent yet. If not, I know another spot down in the woods, but that'll be my backup plan. Still got plenty of light, I think, so I can have a little look up here. What do you think of the beard, by the way? My mate reckons if I don't shave it soon, you'll have to start calling me Mr. Wild Beard. Now we got the deep stuff, boys. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer to this mountain. This is going to be a first for me, guys. First time out in the snow. I'm just in the middle of nowhere as well. I normally go next to a river or something like that, you know. I haven't even got the dog today. Proper solo. So I've come in the Berghaus 3.1. The reason being it's just a bit warmer in the cold. I've gone really lightweight today as well. So all I've got is the paleo folding mat. I find it pretty comfy on its own. Oh, beautiful. I'm just going to set up my sleeping bag in here now. And then get some food on the go. Definitely could do with some grub. Feel the temperature dropping already actually. I got my chili con carne on the go. This should warm me up. And a nice cup of coffee. And then I better get some layers on. I'll show you my sleeping bag. Mountain Warehouse Everest down. And it's got all sorts of different baffles to stop the air getting in. Stove is conked out. I think it's because it's so cold. The bottom of it is freezing. I'll keep that inside now. Hopefully that'll warm up. If you enjoy watching me suffer for the good of a very nice YouTube video, please consider subscribing. If you want to see this happen again. If you're new to camping, I would not recommend this. To be honest, I'm totally warm, right? It is -2. There's snow everywhere. But I've got the right gear on. I've got the right equipment. If you come out here in even a 50-pound sleeping bag, you're going to freeze to death. don't even attempt it, right? If you're thinking about going camping, wait until the summer. The stove is frozen in place. I'm going to have to yank this off and put it in the inner to warm up. I've got the warm raspberry drink. I've been in the fat sack for about an hour. My feet cannot warm up at all. Let's have a look in. Should do the trick. Still your girl. Good morning. Bit of a chilly night. I thought I was getting a bit nippy in the sleeping bag until I got out of it. It's a lot colder out here. I got a nice warm cup of coffee with me. So a sleeping bag did wonders. It got pretty windy in the night, so you could feel the breeze coming through it a bit. I think I could do with an extra layer or two. Maybe a Vivi bag or fleece liner. Experience though. Definitely was an experience. My shoes are frozen solid. A little bit cold from underneath the bag. So it was, because there's snow underneath this mat, it was coming through it a bit. So I laid the jumper on top of it, and that solved that problem then. Alright, more packed up now. I'm going to make a beeline for the woods before I go home. It's just a bit cold just sitting up here. Leave no trace, have a check about. Here's no rubbish about. Would I camp on the hill again? Don't think I would, to be honest. It'd be amazing if you woke up to a nice sunrise, but you haven't got the shelter of you, so I think I'd prefer being in the valley or in the woods. Nice and comfortable. Might get a nice fire going as well in the night, can't see. Can't see where I'm going at the moment. There's total mist everywhere. I know it's downhill, so keep going this way, it'll be alright. Mountain stream and a candle mint cake. It's a good way to end the night out. On my next one, I'm going to be hammocking in a hot tent. So come back for that one. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.